Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add border to video in Capcut. First, open Capcut, click on drag and drop videos option, then select the video that you want to add the border to. For example, I will choose this one. Now, after selecting this video, drag it to the timeline. Now, click on import and download any plain white image from your PC. You can choose to download any kind of color you want. So, I'm going to choose white. You can download any solid background picture like red, green, blue, or any kind of border color you want. I'm going to select white. Now, after importing this, choose the main video and place it at the top. Now, choose this one and drag it at the bottom of this video. Increase its length so that it covers the whole video. Now, select video, choose video, select scale and scale it down. Now, after scaling it down, you will see the white color appearing at the border of this video. What you're going to do is select this white and scale it down a little bit. I'm going to choose something like this. And as you can see, now my video appears to have a border instantly. You can choose to select any kind of color instead of this white, and the color that you replace this with will be the border of your video. So that's a simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.